discuss equation of line in three dimension. So total three types of equations are there. So first we will discuss equation of plane, equation of plane in normal form. Equation of plane in normal form. So what is normal form? Equation of plane in normal form. So for this type of equation, what we are given? So here, to write the equation of plane in normal form in three dimensional, we are given normal to the plane, normal to the plane, and distance of plane, distance of plane from the origin. These two data will be given. First question, what is normal? Normal क्या होता है? So first we have to understand the topic. That is, we have to write the equation of plane in normal form. In the normal form of a plane of equation, we are given normal to the plane and normal to the plane and distance of plane from the origin is given. So for that we have to consider one diagram. Let us now consider our three-dimensional space. Three-dimensional space, that is our x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is our x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and this is our origin. Origin. This is our origin O. Done. Here, normal to the plane and distance of a plane from the origin is given. So first you have to consider three-dimensional space. So this is our three-dimensional space and plane is there. So this is all about the imagination. Consider one plane over here. This is our plane. Done. This is one plane in थ्री डायमेंशन. ये प्लेन आपको विजुअलाइज होना चाहिए. विजुअलाइज हो रहा है, ये भी इनफाइनाइट जा रहा है, इधर भी इनफाइनाइट जा रहा है, इधर भी इनफाइनाइट जा रहा है. ऐसे मैंने एक रख दिया. एक सपोज आपने ट्राइंगल शीट बना के आप एक कॉर्नर में रख दो रूम के, वो आपका प्लेन हो जाएगा. तो विजुअलाइज हो रहा है ऐसा कुछ. डन. दिस इज अवर प्लेन. नाउ फॉर दिस प्लेन वी आर गिवन नॉर्मल. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ वन नॉर्मल. नॉर्मल का मतलब होता है परपेंडिकुलर. नॉर्मल का मतलब होता है परपेंडिकुलर. So normal is nothing but the perpendicular line. So here normal to the plane is given. That means one perpendicular line on a plane is given, and that normal from the origin. So this is origin and this is one plane. So we are drawing one normal to this plane. है ना? ये प्लेन पर ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर लाइन आएगी. विजुअलाइज हो रहा है ना? नीचे से ऐसे बाहर आ रही है और प्लेन के ऊपर वो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन है. That is ON. Done. So ON vector represents here. ON vector represents normal to the plane. ON is nothing but the normal vector. This is nothing but the normal vector. कितना क्लियर हुआ? मैंने ओरिजिन से एक प्लेन पर नॉर्मल वेक्टर ड्रॉ कर दिया. दिस इज नॉर्मल वेक्टर. डन. ये जो नॉर्मल वेक्टर है उसकी डायरेक्शन में एक यूनिट वेक्टर भी कंसीडर कर सकता हूँ. So let us now consider one unit vector, n cap. So n cap is the unit vector. This is unit vector in the direction of normal. It is also known as unit normal vector. Unit normal vector. What is unit normal vector? It's a unit vector in the direction of the vector ON. What is vector ON? ON is the normal vector. It's a normal. It is perpendicular to our plane from the origin. And this normal vector, the length of this normal vector is nothing but the distance of this plane from the origin. Origin से plane का कितना distance है? That distance is given by the length of this normal. Done. So let's say this distance is d. D is the distance of plane from the origin. D is the distance of plane from origin. Done. So distance of the plane from origin is nothing but the length of this normal vector. This is nothing but the length of normal vector. इतना क्लियर हुआ? This is our D. And the total length of this vector ON is D. N cap is the unit vector in the direction with the normal ON. ON is our normal vector. Done? So here you have to write the equation of plane, that is normal to plane and distance of the plane from origin. So normal vector N is given and distance D is given. So now by using these two given data, we have to write the equation of this plane. है ना, ये हमारे पास गिवन था. अभी हम प्लेन का इक्वेशन लिखना है तो कैसे आएगा देखो. टू राइट द इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन we are considering one general point P. And P is one general point. Let's say it's any point on a plane. So coordinates of this point P are x, y, z. P is any point on a plane. प्लेन के ऊपर हमने कोई पॉइंट ले लिया ना, तो अभी जो प्लेन है हमारा जो कंसिडर किया हुआ उसके ऊपर आपके पास दो पॉइंट है. पहला पॉइंट ये जो फीट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर है ना ओ एन वेक्टर, तो ये एन पॉइंट और दूसरा है पॉइंट P. नाउ पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ दिस पॉइंट P with reference to our origin O, that is nothing but the R. Vector R. Vector R represent position vector of point P. Done. Vector R represents position vector of point P. Position vector of any point P. That is our general point P x y z. That is position vector. Now two vectors are there. है ना, अभी दो वेक्टर हमारे पास हो गए. पहला नॉर्मल वेक्टर है ना, that is perpendicular to our plane from the origin. दूसरा वेक्टर that is our position vector of any point P on a plane, that is R vector. Now we can complete one triangle. Which triangle? OPN. Triangle OPN. So now in triangle OPN we can use triangle law of vector addition. Which law? Triangle law. Triangle law of vector addition. So what is the triangle law of vector addition for this triangle OPN? Sum of the two vector equal to third vector. Done. So here we are considering this sum in clockwise direction. So this will be in anti-clockwise direction. So according to triangle law of vector addition, what we can write? We can write OP plus PN. According to triangle law of vector addition, we can write vector OP. OP plus PN plus vector Pn. This is in clockwise direction, so this will be in anti-clockwise direction, that is equal to On. Is that clear, students? According to triangle law of vector addition, in triangle OPN, we can say vector OP plus vector Pn equal to vector On. Done? So what is vector OP? Vector OP is position vector of P, that is equal to R. So this is vector R plus Pn. Pn as it is equal to On. What is On? On is the normal vector. Normal vector. Done. So now On is the normal vector. यहाँ पर देखो On is the normal vector. So can we write any vector as a magnitude into direction? ऐसा भी हमने स्टडी किया ना. Any vector is nothing but the magnitude plus direction. So what is the magnitude of vector On? Magnitude of the vector On is nothing but the length of this vector On. That is the distance of plane from the origin. So distance of the plane from the origin, that is the length of vector On, and that is equal to D. So D is magnitude. That any vector has magnitude as well as direction. So magnitude of this vector On is nothing but the length of this vector On, and the length of this vector On is nothing but the distance of this plane from the origin, and the distance of the plane from the origin is nothing but the D. So we can say magnitude of this vector On is nothing but the D. Clear? Magnitude into direction, because any vector has direction. So what is the direction of this normal vector? Direction of the normal vector is nothing but the unit vector. And what is the function of unit vector? It represents direction of the vector. Right? So it's a n cap. Therefore, we can replace this vector On with D into n cap. So now we are writing this On as a D into n cap. Understood? So from this, we can write our vector Pn equal to D into n cap minus vector R. Say this one as a result number 1. Vector Pn is nothing but the D into n cap minus vector R. Understood? इतना समझ में आया? Now next, अभी देखो, next observation, we are having this vector Pn. Can we say this vector Pn lies on this plane, given plane, or vector Pn will be the vector which lies on the given plane? हमारे given plane ही vector Pn होगा. And this vector On is perpendicular to this given vector because On is the normal vector and normal vector is perpendicular to this given vector. So On will be perpendicular to vector Pn. Yes or no? Vector Pn and vector On are perpendicular vector. Why? Because On is the normal vector to this given plane and Pn is the vector which lies on a given plane. Done? तो ये दोनों वेक्टर एक दूसरे से परपेंडिकुलर होंगे. So if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, their dot product will be 0. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, their dot product will be 0, and therefore we can say vector Pn dot vector On equal to 0. Dot product of these two vectors is 0. Done? What is vector Pn? Vector Pn is nothing but the result 1. D is scalar quantity. N cap minus vector R dot On. What is On? It's a D dot n cap equal to 0. Done? Now, simplification of this dot product. It's a D dot n cap into D dot n cap. So it's a D square n cap square. N is a unit vector. N cap into n cap. So it's a mod n cap. है n cap into n cap. So it's a mod n cap square. N cap is the unit vector whose magnitude is 1. So it will be 1. So D dot n cap into D dot n cap, that is equal to D square n cap square. N cap square is equal to 1. So it's a D square only. So D square minus D is constant quantity, scalar quantity. So it's a D into vector R dot n cap equal to 0. D constant बार ले लिया, यहाँ से D square minus D, ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन में अगेन एक D कॉमन लेके उसको 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 0 रहेगा, तो बाकी बचेगा एक D. डन? तो वो D को क्या करेंगे हम, देखो D कॉमन लेंगे तो ऐसा बचेगा D माइनस R cap dot n cap equal to C, and taking this minus R dot n into right hand side, so we are having vector R dot n cap equal to D. This is the vector equation of plane in normal form. Vector equation of plane in normal form, where vector R is the position vector of this point P. N cap is normal unit vector, है ना? Normal unit vector, and D is the distance of plane from the origin. This is vector form of equation. Is that clear? This is vector form. We have to write Cartesian equation also. So from this vector form, we can write Cartesian equation of plane. Very simple. So Cartesian equation of plane. Normal form, है ना? Normal form of equation in Cartesian form. So Cartesian में क्या होगा? First you have to write the normal form. Sorry, vector form. That is vector R dot n cap equal to D. है ना? ये तीनों का नोटेशन आपको याद रखना है कि इसका मतलब क्या होता है, क्योंकि ये कंफ्यूजन वाला केस है. Done? Here R is position vector of point P. N cap is normal unit vector, है ना? Unit vector है, normal unit vector, and D is distance of plane from origin. तीनों पॉइंट में यहाँ पर लिखता हूँ. Here vector R represent position vector of point P. N cap है ये, n cap, that is normal unit vector, normal unit vector, n cap is the unit vector, this is important, unit vector, and d is the distance, कौन सा distance, distance of plane from the origin, this is distance of plane from the origin. देन ये याद रखना, अब इसके बाद मैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आपको बताऊंगा. सो पहले फर्स्ट यू टू राइट द कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन. सो आर position vector of point P whose coordinates are x, y, and z. So can we write this vector R as a xi plus yj cap plus zk cap dot n cap. N cap is normal unit vector. Unit vector. So normal vector is n. क्या? What? हाँ, देखो n is the normal vector है ना, ये normal vector, ये normal vector है ना, ये मैंने यहाँ पर कैप नहीं किया, ये normal vector. So can we write normal vector, any vector which is in the form of ai plus bj plus ck. This is normal vector which is in the form of ai plus bj plus ck. So इसका normal unit vector क्या होगा? So normal unit vector will be like this, n cap equal to vector n, that is normal vector, upon magnitude of this vector. Yes. So our n cap will be, that is normal unit vector will be vector n, that is ai plus bj cap plus ck cap upon magnitude of this normal vector. This is normal vector है ना, थोड़ा फोकस करो, ये नॉर्मल वेक्टर में बोल रहा हूँ, नॉर्मल वेक्टर, और ये नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर है. सो नॉर्मल वेक्टर पर से मैं नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर की जो वैल्यू है ना वो डिराइव कर रहा हूँ. सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस, मैग्नीट्यूड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ a square plus b square plus c square. Now if we write this denominator separately for these all numerators, n cap, that is equal to a upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square I plus b upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square j plus c upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square k. तो कोई मुझे बताएगा कि ये क्या आ गया सब, एन कैप इक्वल टू, ये क्या है, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Here ABC are direction ratios of this normal vector. ABC are direction ratios of this normal vector. So can we say these are the nothing but the direction cosines of this normal vector? So direction cosines are nothing but the L, M, and N. Harshita. So normal unit vector N is nothing but the Li plus Mj plus Nk. बस यही मुझे सिखाना था, Li plus Mj plus Nk, where L, M and N are nothing but the direction cosines. ये वैल्यू अभी मैं यहाँ पर पुट कर रहा हूँ है ना, n कैप की जगह पर. क्लियर? सो इट्स अ डॉट प्रोडक्ट. वापिस आ जाओ फिर से यहाँ पर कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन में. इट्स अ r डॉट n cap, normal unit vector. So normal unit vector is nothing but this one, Li plus Mj plus Nk. It's a Li plus Mj plus Nk equal to d. D is the distance of plane from the origin. अब इसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट, व्हाट इज द डॉट प्रोडक्ट, क्या होगा? Here dot product will be Lx I dot I1 My J dot J1 plus Nz equal to D. So this is Cartesian equation of plane in normal form. Is that clear? This is vector form of plane. This is Cartesian form of the plane. Equation of plane. Understood? Now, in our textbook, the equation of plane in normal form will be given in form of r vector r dot vector n equal to d. So here you have to consider the difference between these two equations. This is vector r dot vector n. This is vector n equal to d, and our derived equation is vector r dot n cap equal to d. So we have to consider the difference between these two equations. Here vector r dot n cap equal to d. Here this one is vector r dot vector n equal to d. This is normal unit vector, and this is only normal vector. This is only normal vector. So in case of this equation, when we are given r vector r dot n cap, so for this case, this d will represent distance of plane from origin. In this case, when a normal unit vector is there, then this d represent distance of point from the origin. When the given equation is in the form of vector r dot vector n, this d represents only one constant. This d will represent only one constant. It will not represent distance of plane from the origin. ये distance of plane from the origin नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ये यूनिट नॉर्मल वेक्टर नहीं है. डन. नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर फाइंड करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू फाइंड द नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस वेक्टर n by its magnitude. So we are getting unit normal vector. तो यहाँ पर इसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. सो इसके लिए आपको करना पड़ेगा वेक्टर r वेक्टर n अपॉन magnitude of vector n. This is equal to d upon magnitude of vector n. For this case, now अगर एक कांस्टेंट को डिवाइड करेंगे नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर के मैग्नीट्यूड से, ना नॉर्मल वेक्टर के मैग्नीट्यूड से, तो अभी ये रिप्रेजेंट करेगा डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पॉइंट फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. क्लियर? सो फॉर दिस केस this is vector form of equation. This is the vector form of equation. If this form of equation is given, so for this form of equation, what is the Cartesian form of equation? तो इसके लिए कार्टेशियन फॉर्म क्या होगी? अगर ये फॉर्म है तो इसके लिए कार्टेशियन फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन ये वाली है, लेकिन ये फॉर्म होगी वेक्टर वाली, तो इसके लिए कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन क्या होगी? कार्टेशियन फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन. सिंपल लॉजिक है. अगर किसी को समझ में आ गया ये पार्ट तो बताएंगे. तो देखो r डॉट n, और ये वाला n कौन सा है? ये वाला n है ना, वेक्टर फॉर्म है. तो उसके लिए हमारे पास क्या होंगे? डायरेक्शन रेशियोस होंगे. तो ये दोनों की डॉट प्रोडक्ट करनी है, r और n की. तो r और n की डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे, ये x i y j z के. तो इट विल बी ax plus by plus cz equal to d. दिस इज द कार्टेशियन फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल फॉर्म. अंडरस्टूड? तो ये दोनों के बीच में आपको डिफरेंस ऑलवेज याद रखना है. कौन से फॉर्म? ये दोनों इक्वेशन. डन. दिस इज वेक्टर फॉर्म, दिस इज कार्टेशियन फॉर्म. व्हेन नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर इज गिवन, this one is vector form and Cartesian form when normal vector is given, not unit vector. Is that clear? Done. तो ये था आपका फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन, है ना. चलो एक एग्जांपल करते हैं, कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं. सो फॉर दैट कंसीडर एग्जांपल नंबर 13. आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर एग्जांपल नंबर 13 है, वो चेक करो. Find the vector equation of the plane. Vector equation of plane. Vector equation of plane, which is at the distance equation. That means distance of plane from the origin is given, which is at the distance of 6 upon root 29. Find the vector equation of the plane, which is at the distance of 6 upon root 29 from the origin. So distance of the plane from origin is given. So distance of the plane from origin is nothing but the small d. It's a 6 upon square root of 29. So d is given. And ये important part है, देखो. And its normal vector, देखो क्या दिया है? Normal vector. आपको ये बात खास ध्यान रखनी है. Normal vector दिया है कि नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर दिया है, वो आपको देखना है. तो यहाँ पर क्या दिया हुआ है? नॉर्मल वेक्टर. तो नॉर्मल वेक्टर आपको ऐसे वेक्टर लिखना है ना. एन केप वाला केस नहीं है, ये कौन सा है? नॉर्मल वेक्टर, सेकंड केस है. सो नॉर्मल वेक्टर फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन इज 2i केप minus 3j केप plus 4 k cap is given. Normal vector is given, distance of a plane from origin is given, and also find its Cartesian form, vector form as well as Cartesian form of equation दोनों फाइंड करने हैं. डन. तो हमारे पास इक्वेशन कौन सा है? इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन, इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन है ना. हमने तो ऐसे डिराइव किया कि वेक्टर r डॉट n कैप इक्वल टू d, d इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ प्लेन फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन, ये दिया हुआ है. तो उसके लिए हमारे पास चाहिए नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर. नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर चाहिए, लेकिन हमारे पास है नॉर्मल वेक्टर. तो पहले तो आपको ये नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट इज नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर? नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर फाइंड करने के लिए, नॉर्मल यूनिट वेक्टर फाइंड करने के लिए आपको ये जो नॉर्मल वेक्टर है उसके डायरेक्शन में एक यूनिट वेक्टर फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस वेक्टर n बाय इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड. डिवाइडिंग द नॉर्मल वेक्टर बाय इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड we are getting normal unit vector. Clear? So normal vector is 2i minus 3j plus 4k divided by magnitude of this normal vector. Magnitude of normal vector is square root of 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So this will be equal to square root of 29. तो square root of 29 इसको बाहर ले लेते हैं और ये वाला आ जाएगा 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Done. So this will be our normal unit vector n cap. ये हमारा n cap आ गया जो हमें इक्वेशन के अंदर चाहिए. Done. So now we can write our vector equation. So now equation of plane, equation of required plane, equation of required plane equal to r dot n cap, r dot n cap equal to d. R position vector, that is a general point, that is our xyz. It's a xi plus yj plus zk. आप इसको ऐसे लिखो या फिर आर कैप में लिखो, दोनों फॉर्म चलेगा. डॉट एन कैप इज 2 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 29, ये अंदर लिखते हैं आई, माइनस 3 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 29 j प्लस 4 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 29 k. डन. दिस इज वेक्टर इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन. ये वेक्टर इक्वेशन आ गया. अंडरस्टूड. अभी इसका कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन में लिखा क्या था? कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन के लिए हमने ऐसा था, so for this Cartesian equation ax plus by plus cz equal to d, a, b, c are direction ratios of normal vector. So direction ratios of normal vector are nothing but the 2, minus 3 and 4. 2, minus 3 and 4 are the values of a, b and c. Done. And x, y, z are the position vector of any point p, general point, तो उसकी तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं होगी. So here directly we can write the Cartesian form. Cartesian equation of plane in a normal form is a की वैल्यू 2, so it's a 2x, b की वैल्यू minus 3, it's a minus 3y plus c 4 equal to d, distance of plane from the origin given 6 upon square root of 29. तो ये आपका कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन हो गया. क्लियर.